Hi, today we're going to teach on how to add signatures to Outlook. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. On the Outlook application, what you need to do is to click on over to the top left of the screen and click on New Email. After that, click on this signature button here. After clicking signature, click on Signatures. Now, we're going to make a new signature. Simply click New and type a name for the signature. For example, going to name it 1. After that, we're going to format it to whatever type of or what way we want to present our signature. Let's say that we are John Doe, marketing manager at marketingmanaging.com. After that, what we need to do here is to click on new messages and click on number 1 to set it as our default signature. Going to hit save, then press OK. Now, once we open new emails, our signature will be presented here every time we open or we make a new email. We can also add pictures or we can also add text as our signatures. And that's how you make signatures or to add signatures on Outlook. I hope this video helped and thank you for watching.